at FESPA in Amsterdam in 21 actually, I had the pleasure to do what we call a conversation, which is a little bit of a longer interview format with Stuart from Kongsberg. At that time, it was relatively new that Kongsberg became your own entity, right?
Right.
So, I mean, before we talk about your wonderful booth and your wonderful products, Stuart, how has the time been since we met the last time?
It's been a roller coaster ride, right? I mean, when we met before, we just left ESCO, and now we're just over 1 year as a standalone company, and it's been a fantastic year. It's been a journey of, exploration and learning as well, and good business, and we had a great year. And we're starting this year great as well. So the whole team is enjoying it. You'll see if you come to visit our stand how happy and motivated the crew are here. So it's been great.
And it's so great because when I came by yesterday, we met each other briefly. I couldn't help talk to some of your customers, and I heard that the bell has ringed a few times here at the FESPA show, right?
Oh yeah, and we ring the bell here on the stand every time we receive an order.
Yeah.
I think we're at like 14 bell rings or something. That's great.
But I was just thinking, the reason I'm asking is because I was just thinking that from you separate yourself from ESCO, become your own entity, create your own brand. From you do that till you start getting orders under the Kongsberg name and with your marketing and your communication, it must be wonderful, right?
Oh, it is. It's fantastic. Yeah. And look at it. Look at the stand that we've got. Look at the amount of visitors we get. It's fantastic.
It's a factory, right? We can see all the work here, right?
That's right. Yeah. And I think it's a credit to the team, the Kongsberg team, because you go from 0 to 100 miles an hour in 1 year and have an event and marketing and all the collateral and the design that goes with it. It's a huge achievement, and like I say, credit to the whole Kongsberg team.
So on a personal note, has it been a stressful time for you? I mean, I know that you said that it's important to have the team and how you collaborate, but I was just thinking, a big ship can't sail without a captain, right?
Right, and I would say yes. I mean, I don't like the word stressful because I think I wouldn't do it. If it was really stressful, I wouldn't do it. There's pressure to get things done in a timely manner with some speed and momentum. But honestly, if you take all the pressure out of a system, nothing happens. You need a little bit of pressure just to keep things moving. So, but you know what? Somebody asked me 2 days ago, if I had my time again, I wouldn't change it. Yes, a lot of pressure, a lot of hard work, a lot of long days, a lot of travel now. But we have fantastic results, a fantastic team, and we're going forward, and so I wouldn't have changed anything.
Maybe it's just because I don't have English as my native tongue, because I saw stressful also could be positive, actually.
Right, yeah. Well, stress has a negative connotation,
that's
so
true,
a bit of pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
A bit of pressure. You know what it's like? If somebody, when you were at university or at college, if your professor said you have 9 months to do your dissertation, be like, I'll leave it for 8, right? If they tell you need it in 2 weeks, you're like, okay, I need a bit of pressure to get me going.
Yeah,
so,
precisely, I take it's the same when you asked me if we're doing this live. I said, yes, that's to put the pressure on us, because you have to perform a little bit better, right?
You do, but I think it's more interactive. When we had our conversation before, it's a great platform. I love doing INKISH TV, it's great.
Thank you very much. Here at your booth, one thing is the wonderful branding and the wonderful equipment. Are you showing something new, or is it more like trying to introduce yourself again to the market?
Well, it's a bit of trying to introduce ourselves, but as you know, last August we acquired Multicam.
Yeah.
And Multicam is a complementary business to the existing Kongsberg product portfolio. So this is the first time you will see that the Multicam products are here with Kongsberg. We are now one team. We've been integrating the business over the last 6-9 months. And this is it. This is the first show where we really come together. It's dual branded. We have
because I saw on the signs there. Now you have like the cutting lines, and you have that. I mean, it is consistent through the brand, right? Yeah,
correct.
I like the colors. They complement each other very well.
They complement each other, the colors, but the people complement, right? I mean, the products are complementary. The team that come from the US, from the Multicam team, working together here with the Kongsberg team, it's fantastic. You will see here application people from both sides of the business, marketing people, and we all work together and collaborate. So some hard work to get there, but we're here. We're here together, and that's the future.
Yeah. So, I mean, have you had time to go and watch some of the other exhibitors here?
I've had a few moments to go and do that.
But it's great to, there's a lot of exhibitors that is really doing something great this year, right?
They are, and it's nice to see the volume of traffic and the number of exhibitors here. Amsterdam was great, yes, but it was kind of a hesitant start. Here you see everybody's back. They're investing in large booths like ourselves. The footfalls here. And we hear it from our bell rings.
Yeah,
you know, the business is taking place, so it's fantastic.
The reason why I was asking is because, I mean, if you think of the different layers of this industry, you can say that first you have the substrates, then you have the software managing everything, then you have the printing devices, things, and now you have the finishing device, right? And it must just be fantastic to see, because the interest from the industry in this particular segment must be very satisfying for you to think of your business in the future, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, you look around a show like FESPA, the investment in, because you see the color and the vibrancy of the stands, you know, like you say, from adhesive tapes and vinyls through to print, through to finishing, they're all part of the same ecosystem in terms of making this industry work. So it's fantastic to see it coming alive and customers being here.
And next time you and I will see each other, where should that be?
Well, it depends where you're going. I'm going to be.
Depends on where you're going.
Well, I'm going to be at Printing United personally.
I'm going to be Printing United too.
Well, we should meet then.
We have a deal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Stuart. Great meeting you.
Thank you. Yeah, good to talk.
See, this was Stuart Fox. To be honest, I love talking to this dude because he has, I think he has a good vision for where he wants to take Kongsberg. And you know, he has been with ESCO before, and when I spoke to him in Amsterdam, the challenge of moving something from a very well-known and recognized brand in the industry to create your own entity without losing the legacy. I think that's what they do right now, and I've just had a wonderful time, so thank you again. And now we have to go to the next one, so hang on for a second, and we have a new exciting conversation in a moment.